Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best portable air tank valve is probably one of the most important yet often overlooked components of your portable air tank system. Ensuring a safe, reliable, and efficient air delivery system is critical for various tasks, from emergency tire inflation to powering pneumatic tools, and choosing the right valve can significantly impact your experience, making all the difference between a smooth operation and a frustrating one. So let's dive into what makes a great portable air tank valve. Number 5. Hromee Air Tank Manifold. This innovative manifold is designed to enhance your air tank's performance and safety. It's built with durable materials for long-lasting use and easy operation. It features a robust brass body and stainless steel spring for superior corrosion resistance. The aluminum knob provides reliable on-off control. With 1-2 NPT tank, 1-4 NPT hose, and 1-8 NPT gauge connections, it ensures a secure and leak-free fit for most air tanks. The built-in safety relief valve protects against overpressurization, while the shut-off valve prevents accidental air leaks. It's designed for peace of mind. A convenient Schrader valve makes filling your tank quick and easy. It's the perfect solution for maintaining optimal air pressure. This manifold helps maintain consistent pressure within your air tank, ensuring peak performance for your air tools and applications. What we like. It boasts a robust build with aluminum and brass components, ensuring longevity. The integrated safety features provide peace of mind during use. If you prioritize durability and safety in your portable air tank setup, this is the one for you. What people say. The original valve leaks slowly, so when I went to use my portable air tank, generally it was always empty. After installing this and having used it for well over a year, I'm finally reviewing it. It's built well, makes filling a tank super fast and easy as I added it to build a fast fill valve. Screwed the valve in and had zero fit issues. I can fill my portable air tank up, close the valve and come back 3 months later and have zero air loss. I bought this for an old portable tire air tank and it works great. I used Blue Monster Teflon tape from work to install everything and over a week's time had zero pressure loss. Replaced old hardware on my portable air tank I use mostly to keep tires filled. This kit installed easily and is well made, no issues or leaks after 1 year. The metal valve knob is a big improvement over the plastic ones, no worries about cracking or stripping threads. Number 4. Peryiter Air Tank Repair Kit. This kit has everything you need to repair your air tank. It includes a pressure gauge, air hose, and manifold, ensuring you're ready for any repair. It's built to last. The pressure gauge is made of aluminum alloy, the hose is durable PVC and brass, and the manifold is sturdy brass. Expect long-lasting performance. Control your airflow with ease. The aluminum knob on the manifold lets you easily turn the airflow on and off, preventing air leaks when not in use. It's far more reliable than plastic. Monitor your tank's pressure effortlessly. The gauge clearly displays pressure in both PSI and MPa, so you always know how full your tank is. This kit includes a replacement hose. It's designed for durability with a safety valve and various connection points to fit your needs. It can handle high pressure. What we like. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for repairs or upgrades. The clear pressure gauge makes monitoring your tank simple. If you need a convenient, all-in-one solution with quality components, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. The kit includes all of the parts that is needed, and they were simple to install. Direct replacement for a damaged set. Works just fine. Decent quality materials. Replace the valve and gauge and the leak and gone. Number 3. SUNROAD Air Tank Manifold. This is a replacement manifold for your air tanks, ensuring safety and efficiency. It's built to last with high-quality materials and a user-friendly design. It features a brass construction and stainless steel spring for superior corrosion resistance. This makes it perfect for various environments and applications. The aluminum knob makes it simple to control airflow, and it prevents leaks when not in use. It's a significant upgrade from plastic knobs. It includes a 125 to 150 psi safety valve to protect your tank and equipment. The manual override safety relief valve provides an extra layer of protection. A convenient American tire fill valve makes filling your tank quick and easy. The protective cap keeps the valve clean and free from debris. This manifold helps maintain consistent pressure within your air tank, ensuring optimal performance. It's compatible with most portable air tanks. You'll receive 2 air tank manifolds and a thread seal tape to ensure a secure and leak-free connection. Everything you need for a seamless installation. What we like. Get 2 high-quality manifolds for the price of 1. The aluminum knob offers smooth, reliable control. If you need extra manifolds or value a durable, reliable control mechanism, this is a great choice. What people say. I have 2 7-gallon air tanks that needed new manifolds, and these SUNROAD air tank manifolds work well with the 2 tanks. I pressurized the 2 tanks and let them sit for a few days, and neither had lost any air pressure. Used one of these to replace a broken valve on my old air tank. It is a little more crude than the original, but functions as it should. My OL air tanks really needed these upgrades. Now they hold air for many days. Number 2. W10058 Air Tank Repair Kit. This kit is your solution for maintaining your portable air tank. It includes everything you need for safe and efficient repairs. The dual color gauge makes it simple to monitor pressure. It reads from 0 to 200 psi, ensuring accurate readings every time. It's built to last with heavy-duty construction. This ensures reliable performance and longevity. The included 4-foot air hose provides ample reach, and a tire chuck makes inflation quick and easy. It's ready to use right out of the box. Your safety is our priority. It features a reliable safety valve to prevent overpressurization and potential hazards. This kit has all the essential components for a complete repair. Get back to work quickly and efficiently. What we like. This kit is built to last with its heavy-duty construction. The easy-to-read gauge ensures precise pressure monitoring. If you need a reliable, heavy-duty repair kit with a user-friendly gauge, this is the ideal option. What people say. Sturdy, easy to install, easy to use, still working great in 2025. I installed this on my pool filter system and it works perfectly. The PT1 has the hose routed better, a better handle, better shipping protection, and a better paint job. Similar, but better in the details. I like knowing when it's reached end of safe life too. The other maker didn't give you a clue. This one has a label. Also, the instructions were much better. Number 1. Air Tank Manifold. This innovative manifold is designed for portable air tanks, providing efficient and safe air distribution. It's built to handle various applications and ensures reliable performance. The bright red knob gives you precise control over airflow. It's easy to see and adjust, making it simple to manage your air pressure. It features a standard Schrader valve, perfect for quick and easy tire inflation. No more struggling with awkward fittings. The built-in relief valve ensures safety by releasing excess pressure at 130 psi. This protects your equipment and prevents accidents. It's made from solid brass for superior durability and corrosion resistance. This ensures long-lasting performance in demanding environments. With a 1.2 MMPT tank inlet and various outlet options, it's compatible with a wide range of air tanks and accessories. It offers seamless integration into your existing setup. What we like. Made entirely of solid brass for superior durability and corrosion resistance. It features a reliable safety valve and precise airflow control. If you value a simple, robust, and reliable design, this is the one for you. What people say. This valve brought my old air pig back into service. I fixed a 30-year-old Craftsman air tank. The new part was exactly like the one I needed to replace. The replacement worked great and was quick. And, no air leaks. The wheel that opens/closes the valve is a bit larger, so it is easier to turn. I like that. My original was small, and hard to turn. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.